Determining quadratic inequalities given the graph. Solid line or solid curve, it includes boundary less than or equal, greater than or equal. Dash line or dash curve, it includes less than or greater than. In shading below the parabola, so the parabola, if that is y greater than or y greater than or equal, so the shaded part of the parabola is above the curve. In shading below the parabola, if that is y less than or y less than or equal, it means you need to shade below the parabola. The graph description, the graph opens upward. The x-intercept -2 and +3, it means touches the x-axis -2, 0 and +3, 0. The shaded is above and then it should be solid curve. So kung i-drawing natin yan, so we have -2, -2, +3. So this is -2, +3. The graph opens upward and then this is the solid curve. And then shaded above the solid curve. So this is the shaded part. So the equation now is y is equal to x plus 2, change the sign, and then times x minus 3. So it means our answer that is above the curve, so y greater than or equal to x plus 2 times x minus 3. The graph opens upward. X-intercept is -1 and +4. So it means if that is -1 and +4, so this is -1, 0, and then +4, 0. So solid curve. So this is the solid curve that is opens upward. The shaded is below the curve. So this is the shaded part. So our equation now, so this is -1, so that is x plus 1. This is +4, so that is x minus 4. The shaded part is below the curve, so that is less than. So y less than or equal to x plus 1 times x minus 4. The graph opens downward. The x-intercept -3 and 2, and then it should be dash curve, and the shaded is above the dash curve. So kung ito-drawing natin yan, so this is -3, +2, so -3, 0, and +2, 0. So dash curve. So dash curve, and then the graph opens downward. So the shaded part is above the parabola. So this is the shaded part. So our equation, so this is -3. So that is y is equal to x plus 3. And then this one is +2. So x minus 2. So the graph opens downward. So it means y is equal to negative times x plus 3 times x minus 2. So the shaded part is above the parabola. So it means our equation, y is greater than negative x plus 3 times x minus 2. If the graph opens downward and the x-intercept is -5 and 2, the shaded below the dash curve. So kung drawing natin siya, so this is -5, 0. So this is -5, 0, +2, 0. So the graph opens downward, so pababa. The graph opens downward. So that is dash curve. And then the shaded part that is below the curve. So this is the shaded part. So what could be our equation? So -5, that becomes x plus 5 if we put in the equation, and then 2, so that is x minus 2. So y is equal to x plus 5 times x minus 2. Negative siya because the graph opens downward. So what could be our answer in inequality? So that becomes y. So downward siya, pababa. So y less than negative the quantity x plus 5 times x minus 2. So based on the graph, we have 0, 0 as the value for the x-intercept. So it means the shaded part is above the curve. So if that is above the curve and then opens upward, the parabola opens out upward, and this is the solid curve. So what do you think is the equation? So the equation, that is y. So solid to, so y greater than or equal to x squared. So y greater than, because this is a solid line, greater than or equal because the shaded part is above the curve. So hindi nag-touch to any value from the number line ng -1, -2. So it means y greater than or equal to x squared. The given value for the x-intercept, so that is 0, 0. So the graph opens upward. So this is the solid line curve. So the shaded part, it is below the curve. So if that is below the curve, so what could be our equation? So y, so this is solid, so below the curve, so y less than or equal to x squared. The given x-intercept, that is -3 and +3. So -3 times 3, that is -9. And then the graph opens upward, so dash curve. So kung dash curve yan, so pwedeng greater than or less than. So the shaded part is below the curve. So what could be our equation? So y, so below the curve, so y less than x squared minus 9. So what could be the key takeaway? To determine a quadratic inequality from a graph, first, find the parabola equation. Second, check if the boundary is solid, less than or equal, or greater than or equal, or dash, less than or greater than. Third, look at the shaded region. If that is above, that is greater than, or greater than or equal, or if that is below the shaded region, less than or less than or equal. Instruction: graph and give the solution. Provide your answers in the comment section. Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.